Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Bahrain. So let's get started. So here I will just go to google.com and here I will likely search for top business bank in Bahrain. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is your National Bank of Bahrain, then we have Central Bank of Bahrain, then we have the Bank of Bahrain and Kuwait. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in Central Bank of Bahrain. So I will just go to their website. Okay, so to open a business account here you have to go to their uh, nearest branch. Okay, or you can, if you want to open up other banks, we will just go to here open banking. So here they have the procedure and details. Okay, so you will require a minimum age of 18-year-old and you should have a legal business identity in their country, and there should be a license and other paperwork will be required. So by going to the branch it will be a long process and your account will be opened. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Bahrain. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.